Welcome to Virtual School. Hello kids, today we are going to learn about colors. Colors make our world bright and beautiful. Let's start. This color is red. This is blue. This one is green. And this color is yellow. This color is orange. The next color is pink. This one is purple. Next color is brown. This one is black. And the last color is white. Great job, kids! Today we learned about colors like red, blue, green, yellow, and many more. Now look around your home and see what colors you can find. See you next time.